Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to FAO, an outdoor shopping haven with over 80 brands offering unbeatable everyday low prices. In this video, I would like to introduce the SOPs in FAO. All staff, tenants and shoppers are required to go through FAO entry checks at the entrances. Daily body temperatures are checked upon every entry. Only fully vaccinated shoppers are allowed to enter the premise. Kindly present your COVID-19 vaccination digital certificates to our security guards. It's mandatory for our shoppers to wear protective face masks at all times in FAO's premises. Good job! Scan and check in via MySejahtera at each entry point of individual outlets. Cashless payments are encouraged. Social distancing must be practiced at all times in FAO's premises. Please maintain at least a 1 meter distance from each other. Hand sanitizers will be provided at mall entrances, customer service areas, and restrooms. Don't forget to sanitize your hands frequently. Outlet disinfection of common areas and frequently touched surfaces in FAO's premises. Stay safe and enjoy your time shopping here at FAO. Remember to practice these SOPs at all times, as your safety is our utmost priority. Happy shopping!